Hey guys, it's Joe with VMP. We're here with Daniel's 2017 Mustang GT. He's got one of our Gen 3 superchargers on the car. I'll give you a little bit more details about everything that's done to the car, but for now, let's hop in and get this thing tuned. We just got done making dyno poles in Daniel's 2017 Mustang GT, fitted with the VMP Gen3 supercharger, a twin 67mm throttle body, FIC 1000cc injectors, a JLT 125mm cold air intake, Corsa long tube headers with a Corsa Sport catback, a VMP fuel pump voltage booster, VMP triple pass heat exchanger, all that stuff equated on 93 octane, mind you, 716, 573. And it looks like peak power is right at 7,500 RPM, right where I have the soft limiter set up at. Overall, great power for pump gas. If you had a little bit of butane in it, it'd probably be up around 750, 760 wheel. This is just straight 93, so we're keeping things within the realm of reason on 93. The blower has an 85mm pulley on it with a stock lower pulley down on the crank. He has no oil pump gear, crank sprocket in the car yet. He's actually, in the future, looking to put the car on E85 and turn the blower up a bit more, maybe do oil pump gear, crank sprocket, and then eventually built motor, but just go around and have some fun around 800, 850 wheel until then. All in all, really clean, well-sorted car. Look forward to seeing him when he's ready to do some E85 upgrades and turn this thing up even more. We'll probably do a video on it then. If you guys want to get a notification when a video like that drops, or more dyno videos with VMP Gen 3 or any of our other superchargers, or the Project Chucky shirt, or the Project Chucky sitting over there. If you guys want to see any content like that, just make sure you hit the subscribe and hit the bell for notifications on our YouTube channel, and keep an eye on our Facebook page for any new content or updates we have on the VMP Gen 3 supercharger.